Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low-voltage tester. First, understand its primary function, to safely detect the presence of electrical voltage in circuits. This tool is crucial for ensuring your safety before you begin any work on electrical systems. It typically indicates voltage with a clear LED light or an audible beep, making it easy to identify live wires. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. There are generally two main types of low-voltage testers. Non-contact testers can detect voltage without touching the wire, ideal for quick checks. Contact testers, on the other hand, require direct contact with the conductor for a precise reading. Many can handle voltages up to 48 volts, perfect for common household low-voltage applications like doorbell systems or thermostat wiring. Digital multimeters also offer this capability with more detailed readings. To use your tester safely, always begin by testing it on a known live circuit, like a working outlet, to confirm it's functional. Then, carefully insert the probes or bring the non-contact tip near the wire or terminal you wish to check. Observe the indicator for voltage presence, which might be a flashing light or a distinct sound. Only proceed with your work once you have confirmed the circuit is completely de-energized, ensuring your safety. Low-voltage testers are incredibly versatile, proving useful for troubleshooting various systems such as doorbell circuits, thermostat wiring, and irrigation controls, which often operate at 12 or 24 volts. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, like insulated gloves, to prevent any accidents. Never assume a circuit is dead. Always test it thoroughly before touching. Store your tester in a dry, protected environment to maintain its accuracy and longevity for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.